the old guy bandit who ran too fast. From 2009 to 2011, a robber called the Geezer Bandit hit 16 banks in San Diego. He looked like a weak 70-year-old in baggy clothes and a big hat. He passed notes asking for cash nicely and got away with lots of money. People even made funny t-shirts about him. But the joke? Security cameras showed him running super fast after a bank bag exploded die on him. Way too quick for an old man. Turns out, he was probably a young guy wearing a fake old person mask. His speedy legs gave him away. He never got caught, and the videos became memes online. Grandma stops car thieves with her gun. In the early 2000s in Sarasota, Florida, a small old lady, about 5 feet tall, with white curly hair and glasses, came back to her car after shopping. 4 young guys were stealing it. Instead of running, she pulled a huge gun from her bag and made them get out. She marched them into the store and called the cops. The scared thieves told police about the crazy armed grandma. She didn't get in trouble, just became a hero story. Lesson: don't mess with grandmas who pack heat. Sweet old man's chocolate diamond trick. In 2007 in Belgium, an old Italian guy made friends with bank workers in a diamond area by giving them yummy chocolates and chatting like a nice grandpa. He said he needed vault access for family jewels. They trusted him and gave him a key. One weekend, he stole $28 million in diamonds, hid them in jars, and vanished. The funny bit? Staff skipped checks because he was so kind and shared recipes. It was like a candy-coated spy movie. And he got away clean. Scammed Granny Rob's back for fees. In April 2024 in Cincinnati, Ohio, 74-year-old Cheryl lost $200,000 to an online love scam. Mad, she went to a bank with a gun and a note asking for $12,000. She only took $1,200 and waited for police. In jail, she joked, "It was just payback. Those scammers owe me." People online made funny pictures about Granny getting even. Because she had no past crimes, she might just do easy punishment like helping others, not real jail. Robber fooled by super old bank teller. Around the 2010s in a U.S. Midwest bank, a nervous 60-year-old robber gave a scary note to an 80-year-old teller lady. She looked at it with her thick glasses, gave it back, and said, "Kid, if you want money out, use the right form. No doodles." He yelled, "No, it's a robbery." She replied, "Then put it in the suggestion box." He ran away with nothing as she called help. The bank let it go since no one got hurt. Old lady rules beat robber rules every time. The Walker-wielding bank buster. In 2012 in Austin, Texas, 73-year-old Joe walked into a bank with his walker, looking harmless. He handed a note. "Give me $100,000 or I'll whack you." But his hands shook so much, the note fell. Teller picked it up, read it, and laughed. "Sir, that's a grocery list." Joe grumbled, grabbed his walker, and shuffled out empty-handed. Cops found him later eating ice cream nearby. He got probation and a free walker upgrade. No more whacking threats. Granny's sticky fingers, supermarket slip. In 2015 in London, an 81-year-old lady named Doris tried shoplifting chocolates by stuffing them in her coat. But she forgot her dentures clicked loud. As she waddled to the door, pockets bulged and candies fell out like a trail. Store guard chased, but she yelled, "Catch me if you can, Sonny. I won bingo last week." Slipped on a dropped bar, sat down laughing. Police let her off with a warning and free sweets. She became a local legend. Doris the Chocolate Bandit, the fake beard grandpa's ATM fail. In 2018 in Oklahoma, a 68-year-old man glued on a fake beard to rob an ATM outside a bank. Looked like a scruffy Santa. He bashed it with a hammer, but the beard itched. He scratched. Glue melted in the heat. Beard fell off mid-swing. Camera caught his real face clear as day. Hammer broke. No cash. He ran, tripped over the beard, and got arrested in his underwear. Pants snagged too. Judge chuckled in court. "Next time, use spirit gum, not kids' glue." Elderly duo's slow-motion jewelry heist. In 2019 in Paris, 2 70-something pals, best friends since school, tried grabbing necklaces from a store window. One distracted with chit-chat. "Back in my day, jewels were cheaper." The other snatched, but arthritis kicked in, hands froze. Alarm blared, they froze too, posing like statues. Security arrived to find them arguing, "Your turn to run." Got caught, but the store owner laughed so hard, dropped charges for a photo op. They posed with fake jewels, went viral as grumpy grandpas. Papa's Pizza Robbery Mix-Up. In 2020 in Chicago, 78-year-old Vinny burst into a pizza shop yelling, "This is a stick-up," with a banana in his pocket, meant to look like a gun. But it was dinner rush. Everyone thought it was a prank. Owner handed him a free pizza. "Extra cheese, Grandpa?" Vinny took a bite, forgot the plan, sat down eating. Cops came for noise complaint, found him full and happy. "Best robbery ever," he said. "No charges, just a ban from bananas in the shop."